starting our walking tour. Came out at the St Paul's train station, right by the St Paul's Cathedral. This is the Millennium Bridge, pedestrian only bridge that crosses the Thames. Yesterday we were down that way. Today we're going down that way. I'll wait for the people to go past. Down that way. I think that tall pointy thing is called the Shard. Sarah will tell me in a minute.
Not like a big park.
Way down there you can see Tower Bridge. I think that's where we're going to walk to. Business district in that direction. It was the Shard, I just checked with Sarah. And then over here, this building is the Tate Modern gallery. So it is only £6 to get into the Tate Modern, which might explain why there's such a big line. And we were going to go in there, but I don't know if we're going to do a queue. Oh. Good view from here back to St Paul's.
Looking at the events coming up, there was one that was a bit more. I spoke to one lady.
Continuing our walk, we have to leave the river for a bit, a few alleyways. Time for some lunch, some hot chips, cold drink. It's not a combi, Emma, it's a Peugeot. Across the river here we've got the Tower of London, the old prison, and then Tower Bridge. across the Tower Bridge, and now we're down beside the Tower of London, the old prison. View from the other side of the river. Looking back towards the Shard and the HMS Belfast where we had lunch. Come across this tower that we have no idea about, but it looks pretty impressive. Looks like it might have Roman writing on. No, it's not Roman, it's English. Anyway, I'll tell you what it is later when we look it up. Okay, so it was the thing we're heading towards. A monument to the Great Fire of London. This is the thing that you could pay £6 to go up to the top of, but it seems to be closed today. Come to this statue. James Greathead. He's a distant relative of Sarah's. Sarah's grandfather on her mum's side was called Aston Greathead. Some pretty cool buildings around here.